Hi, Ben. It's so nice to see you. How has your week been?
Hi, Chloe. It's nice to see you too. My week has been long. To be honest, I am feeling completely exhausted. I think I need another coffee.
You do look very tired. You have dark circles under your eyes. Is everything okay? Are you feeling unwell?
I'm not sick. I just feel so drained of energy. I have been yawning all day at my desk. I find it really hard to concentrate on my work, and I've been in a pretty bad mood all week.
I'm sorry to hear that. Feeling tired all the time is a terrible feeling. It affects everything you do, from your work to your personal life.
It really does. I just feel like I'm running on empty. I get through the workday, but then I have no energy left in the evening to do anything fun or productive.
That sounds really tough. It's not a sustainable way to live. Do you have any idea what might be causing you to feel so tired all the time?
I have a strong suspicion. I think the main problem is my sleeping habits. I am just not getting enough sleep at night.
That would definitely explain the lack of energy and the difficulty concentrating. How many hours of sleep are you getting each night on average?
That's the embarrassing part. I know adults are supposed to get 7 to 8 hours of sleep. I am probably only getting 5 or 6 hours on most weeknights.
5 or 6 hours is definitely not enough. What time do you usually go to bed?
I almost always go to bed too late. I rarely get into bed before midnight. Sometimes it's even closer to 1 o'clock in the morning, even though I have to wake up at 6:30.
Going to bed after midnight and waking up at 6:30 is a very short night. What keeps you up so late? Are you working late or studying?
No, that's the problem. I'm not doing anything productive. It's just a bad habit I have fallen into. After I have dinner and clean up, I feel like the evening is my only real free time.
I understand that feeling. You want to relax and do something for yourself after a long day of work. What do you usually do in the evenings?
I usually turn on the television to watch a series. I tell myself I will only watch one episode, but then the episode ends on a cliffhanger and I feel like I have to watch the next one.
The one more episode trap. I know it very well. It's so easy to do that.
Exactly. And then, after I finally turn off the TV, I get into bed and I start scrolling through social media on my phone. Before I know it, another hour has passed.
So, the combination of watching television and then using your phone means you are going to bed much later than you plan.
Yes, it's a terrible cycle, and I am really feeling the negative effects of it now. My work performance is suffering because I can't focus. I'm making silly mistakes that I would not normally make.
I can imagine. It's hard for your brain to function properly when it is sleep deprived. Lack of sleep really affects your memory and your ability to solve problems.
It's not just my brain. My body feels weak, too. I used to go to the gym 3 times a week, but now I tell myself I am too tired to exercise.
Of course, you don't have any extra energy for physical activity. I've also read that a chronic lack of sleep can weaken your immune system, making you more likely to get sick.
That's a scary thought. I really need to make a change. This is not healthy at all.
I know I need to change, but it feels so difficult. I feel like I'm stuck in this bad routine.
I understand, but instead of focusing on the negative effects, let's think about all the amazing benefits you will feel when you start getting enough sleep. Let's focus on the positive.
Okay, I like that idea. What are some of the benefits? I want to feel motivated.
Well, the most immediate benefit is that you will have so much more energy during the day. You will wake up feeling refreshed and ready to start your day, instead of feeling groggy and tired.
That alone sounds like a dream. I can't remember the last time I woke up feeling refreshed.
Your concentration and productivity at work will improve dramatically. Your mood will be better, so you will feel happier and less irritable. You will have the energy to go to the gym again. Good sleep is also great for your skin and your overall health.
More energy, better concentration, a happier mood? You are making a very convincing argument. I am 100% convinced. I need to start going to bed earlier.
That's the spirit. Making that decision is the most important first step. I am really proud of you for wanting to make a positive change for your health.
Thank you, Chloe. So I can't just say, I'll go to bed earlier. That is too vague. I think I need to set a specific and realistic goal for myself.
That is a very smart approach. A clear goal is much easier to stick to. What do you think would be a good new bedtime for you?
Well, I need to wake up at 6:30. To get a full 8 hours of sleep, I would need to be asleep by 10:30.
10:30 sounds like a perfect goal. It's a big change from 1 o'clock, but it is definitely achievable. It will give your body the time it needs to rest and recover properly.
Okay, my new official bedtime is 10:30, but I have another problem. Sometimes, even if I go to bed, I find it hard to fall asleep. My mind is still very active.
That is a very common problem. You can't just switch your brain off like a light. You need to help your body and mind to wind down and prepare for sleep.
Wind down? What do you mean by that?
It means you should create a relaxing bedtime routine that you do every night for about an hour before you want to sleep. This routine signals to your brain that it's time to get ready for rest.
A bedtime routine. That sounds like something for children, but I guess it could work for adults too. What kind of things should I do?
It can be anything that you find calming. You could take a warm bath. You could read a real, physical book. You could listen to some soft, calm music or a relaxing podcast. Or you could drink a warm cup of herbal tea, like chamomile.
Reading a book sounds like a really nice idea. It would be much more relaxing than watching an exciting television show or looking at my phone.
It definitely would be. And that brings us to another important point. Your bedtime routine is not just about the things you should do, but also about the things you should avoid doing.
What kind of things should I avoid before bed?
The most important thing to avoid is the blue light from screens. That means no television, no laptop, and especially no smartphone for at least an hour before your new bedtime.
No phone for an hour before bed? That is going to be the hardest part for me. Why are screens so bad for sleep?
The blue light that these screens produce tricks your brain into thinking it is still daytime. It stops your body from producing melatonin, which is the hormone that helps you feel sleepy. So looking at your phone at night is telling your brain to wake up, not to sleep.
That makes so much sense. I always feel more awake after scrolling on my phone in bed. Okay, I will make a new rule for myself. No screens after 9:30.
That is a fantastic rule. It will make a huge difference. I know these new habits can be difficult to start on your own. Would you like some support?
What do you mean? How could you help?
Well, I have also been staying up a little too late recently. Why don't we do a challenge together? Let's call it the 1 week sleep challenge.
A sleep challenge? Tell me more. I like challenges.
For the next 7 days, we can both try to be in bed by 10:30. We can create our own relaxing bedtime routines and promise to stay off our phones. We can send each other a message in the morning to see how we slept and how we are feeling.
That is a brilliant idea. Doing it together will make it so much easier. It will keep me accountable. I won't want to let you down.
Exactly. We can be sleep buddies. We can motivate each other and share tips on what is working for us. It will be a fun experiment.
I am actually feeling excited about this now, not just stressed. Having a clear plan and a supportive friend makes all the difference. Thank you so much for this conversation, Chloe.
You are very welcome, Ben. I am happy to do it with you. I think we will both feel like completely new people by the end of next week.
I really hope so. I am looking forward to feeling energetic and focused again. So, our challenge starts tonight?
Yes, it starts tonight. I am going to have a cup of chamomile tea and read my book at 9:30. What is your plan for your first wind-down routine?
I think I will do the same. I have a book that I have been wanting to read for ages. I will make some tea and get cozy on the sofa. No television, no phone.
That sounds like a perfect plan. Well, good luck on our first night. I will message you in the morning.
Good luck to you too. I'll talk to you tomorrow, hopefully feeling much more rested.